Why Hugo Calderano defeated Wang Chuqin at the ITTF World Cup, Macau, 2025 by coach EmRatThich. In one of the most dramatic matches of the 2025 ITTF World Cup Macau, Hugo Calderano has once again shocked the world by defeating Wang Chuqin, the world number 2 and China's strongest hope after Fan Zhendong. It was not just a victory, it was a statement. Hugo Calderano, the Brazilian powerhouse, came back from 3 down to win in style. And this was not a lucky win. This was a tactical and technical masterclass. 1. The TTR system changed everything with the introduction of the TTR, Table Tennis Review System. Hidden serves are now penalized. This neutralized Wang Chuqin's biggest weapon, his disguised short serve that sets up his lethal third ball attack. For a long time, Wang Chuqin thrived on his illegal or borderline hidden serve. He would serve, then immediately punish the opponent with his explosive forehand. But against Hugo, that didn't work. Hugo read the serve, he adapted, he neutralized it, and suddenly Wang's entire system began to collapse. Two, Hugo Calderano's backhand, lightning fast and deadly. Let's talk about Hugo's backhand. Probably one of the fastest in modern table tennis. It's flat, it's fast, and it's fearless. Wang Chuqin, who usually dominates backhand-to-backhand rallies, was on the back foot. Hugo's ability to redirect the ball with pace and precision, especially down the line, completely shut down Wang's backhand zone. His placement was so sharp that Wang couldn't set up for his usual powerful forehand. 3. The turning point. Hugo's change in strategy at 3 down. Most players would have mentally collapsed. Not Hugo, he changed everything. Instead of hitting hard every point, he slowed the game down, played with short touch, and then mixed in explosive attacks. This confused Wang Chuqin, who only has one gear, fast. Hugo switched between soft touches and sudden accelerations. Wang, he couldn't adapt. Four, Wang Chuqin's flawed system. Wang is a beast when his system works. Serve, strong third ball. 5th ball, kill. But when an opponent returns his serve well, Wang struggles. He relies too heavily on rhythm and early advantage. When rallies drag on, his footwork looks shaky, his body balance is off, and his decision-making becomes hesitant. Even Lin Shidong looks more stable in open play. Compared to Fan Zhendong or Ma Long, Wang lacks a plan B. 5. Mental toughness and confidence. Hugo's mental strength was on full display. He didn't panic. He believed. Wang Chuqin, on the other hand, showed signs of nervousness in the final game. He had no answer to Hugo's spin variation, to the parallel forehand shots, or to the intelligent short game exchanges. Hugo looked like he was enjoying the pressure. Wang looked trapped by it. Conclusion? A new era? With this win, Hugo Calderano has now defeated Tomokazu Harimoto, World #3, and Wang Chuqin, World #2. Can he complete the hat-trick against Lin Shidong, the new World #1? This tournament is showing one thing clearly. Team China is not invincible anymore. Hugo Calderano is not just a hero in Brazil. He is a hero for every non-Chinese table tennis fan who wants to see a more competitive world. Bravo, Hugo. What a victory against the perfect Wang Chuqin. More than just a match. This was a revolution.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.